This is 100 Ocean View Drive, Unit 505. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath mingle with a Juliet balcony. Plank flooring, lots of storage when you walk in. Still some updates happening to this unit. So this is the mingle kitchen. It's very large, has the white appliances and the oak cabinets. Space for a table in the corner there, peek through window. Lots of cabinets, and you have a large living dining room area. And then you have one of the bedrooms. This bedroom has the ensuite bathroom. And then you have the walk-in closet. And then you have more storage in the hallway. Those doors are just going to get replaced. They're there for now. But then you have this other bathroom right off the hallway. So this bathroom's off the hallway. The other bathroom is an ensuite off the bedroom. But then you have this bedroom as well, with still a lot of closet space. It's just instead of one big walk-in, it's 2 closets. So that is 100 Ocean View Drive, Unit 505.